My next question is, Vinit, you have a lot of experience. So people can write the GATE exam third year also. What do you suggest? Which year they have to start the GATE preparation?
I would say that like I explained earlier, I would say that start as soon as early as soon as possible. So probably like you should start at second year. If you are like if you are aware enough to start in first year, well and good. No one is stopping you. But I would say that second year is a perfect time to start your preparation. Why? Because there are some subjects which are very crucial for your placement as well. Correct? Like so you can read the data structure and algorithm databases. All these are very important for your interview for placement as well, correct? So better to start early, and you should be well prepared for gate exam. So I would say that like these gate exam and the placement have so much in overlap. If you are preparing for one thing, you're gonna prepare for other as well. So I would recommend people starting their preparation starting from second year itself,
Okay.
rather than waiting for wasting their time after B.Tech and then they will waste 1 or 2 year. Uh, Probably they should start early.
So any voice is coming from my side?
No, I'm good.
No music?
No, no music here. Nothing.
Fine. Is okay to you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next one is you studied in IIT Bombay. Why you selected IIT Bombay? Why not others?
Yeah. So if you are getting good rank, like you get all the option, and at that same year I also passed the TIFR, so I also got the same opportunity to go TIFR as well. So this is like Tata Institute of Research, uh, fundamental research or something. But my I was very clear from starting that I want to do job after correct gate. And if you want to go for the job, then you are looking for a place where most of the company visit, correct? And at that time TIFR, even though is very good for the PhD and everything, so I ruled it out because I don't wanted to do the PhD after that. But in within the IITs, like the only two options were there for me, literally like IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, and the ISC. I had to choose between these three. And then I found it out IITB placement is and I also talked with multiple like gate holder that time, ranker that time. We had a group and I decided where people are going. And then most of the people were going IIT Bombay based on the placement and everything. And ISC, I think like most of the companies who give like placement outside of the India, they don't used to visit ISC, like Facebook, Twitter, and everything. So ISC, I ruled it out due to that. And then IIT Bombay and IIT Delhi were two options. Then I find it out most of the people are going IIT Bombay, and I found out IIT Bombay due to that reason.
Okay, fine. So by doing some analysis, you got to know you have to go to IIT Bombay.
Yeah, it depends. Like that's why I was saying you have to figure it out what you want to do in future. So that's why I choose that thing. I don't want to do PhD. I was very sure about that. So ISC was out and TIFR also out, and like good placement IIT Bombay was the best place to go. So I choose that.